Lost in the freezing forest, a little boy collapsed, until a giant bear appeared. But instead of attacking, what it did next will shock you. A 6-year-old boy wandered into the snowy forest and became hopelessly lost. As night fell, he curled up under a tree, shivering. Suddenly, a huge brown bear emerged from the shadows. The boy froze in terror, then the bear lay beside him, wrapping its body around him for warmth. For 2 nights, the bear guarded the boy, even chasing away wolves. On the 3rd morning, villagers found him, safe and unharmed. Witnesses said the bear guided rescuers by growling loudly until they saw him. A wild predator became an unexpected protector.